Come on. Hey. 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 Come on. Sit. Sit. Hey. Stay.
Let that motherfucker go!
Come on. Hey, get out of there. I don't know. Yeah, somebody else already did. Oh, jump up.
One of your thoughts.
Yeah, farts, huh? Good luck. Here, watch out. Kids you want coming here.
Sit.
You got a couple explosions on it too.
Mark lit one of his farts.
Yeah. It's gonna be a long summer, man. A lot of fucking people can't pay their car loans anymore, man. This has happened like, it used to happen all the time right across the way over here.
Oh, yeah?
Before they put houses up over there, there'd be like, during the summer, 3-4 cars fucking just lit up like that.
Get insurance.
Yeah. You don't have to pay your...
That's a brand new truck too.
Yeah, it
I
is.
guarantee you somebody did that on purpose. They got here pretty quick.
Yeah, it was like 4 minutes or something.
Not bad.
Somebody, right when I ran out, somebody else was already calling them.
Oh yeah. Is that rain?
I think so. Oh, look, it takes the heat right off, huh?
Oh yeah. Holy shit. Last, remember when I told you about the truck at work last summer? Same thing. Oh, I don't know if it was the same thing, but last landscaping company that I worked for, we had a 2-ton dump. Oh.
Just so you know, it's recording.
Not bad.
Well, I mean, I don't care, but
Oh, yeah, no,
I might
just
put it
somebody-
somewhere, so
No, last
if there's
year.
a story you don't want getting out there.
No. No, I show up at work on Saturday morning, and the truck had caught fire overnight, an electric problem.
Wow. That sucks. Dude, that's a fucking dangerous job right there, huh?
Oh,
Sticking
yeah.
your fucking hands in some place where the engine could blow up again. Crazy. Sick.
Oh, hey. Gas tanks went and everything, huh?
Oh yeah. Like the windows were popping out, and then tanks were popping out, all kinds of shit. Insurance scam, probably. Who knows? Don't want to pay their car bills anymore.
We're gonna saw the hood open.
I don't think. I hope not.